The Westford, I think, that is one kind of the best university in the Middle East and also maybe in the world. Still need some things to improve myself. I think the DBA, the program, improved myself. Hello, my name is Alireza Ramezanifard. I'm come from China, Shanghai. I'm here in Westford University College. I'm the exactly student in the DBA, the program. I'm very appreciate always the study and learn in the Westford. The why I'm choose the DBA the program. As you know, for any kind of the students, the first is important is for the program, and should be give to you the motivation and inspire you. And I'm sure that any student that choose the Westford will be happy with the class. And also DBA program can help you and have a bridge between the academic program with the real business. Because I'm the businessman, I'm working for 20 years for business, but after the past and the DBA, the program, my mindset is totally changed. So I'm to recommend you 100% to choose the Westford University. Thank you so much.